Hi guys, I'm back with another Minecraft video. Now today, this is our experiment world. So today I'll be showing you how to move a, whatever they're called. Let's find and this isn't my first ever video one. This is my second video, so just be aware. So let's just make let's see. Let's make maybe a concrete road. Wait, I don't know how to spell concrete, but anyway. Concrete road. Let's get this, then let's go on. Is there any arm stands? Yep. And then an arm stand, and then we need more concrete. And this time we're gonna get grey concrete. Oh no! Oh jeez. I am messing this up. Candy, watch me live. So let's see. Yep. Now, let's just delete all this area just right here. Wait a minute. Let's get an egg. I need shoes too. And then let's just get this final thing, maybe like a sword or something. Okay, so this is what you do. So let's just make a quick road. Some of you may know this and some of you may not. But I figured it out. Boy, I forgot what I figured it out by. I guess I just figured it out myself. But, so, here is...
Hi guys, it's Kennedy's sister. Ayla's sister.
Oh my god, that's my sister. Oh, mine's lagging so much, I wonder why. Oh, Candy, stop. So, doing this road, it's very glitchy. Okay. Now, there's our road. So let's make the path. This might be a little boring, but yeah. And let's make our path. Alright, this is where it gets, well, not that hard, but a little hard. So let's just quickly make these. Let's just start it. Oh, jeez. Oh, there's a hole there. Alright. So here we go. Here's the head. That, and that. See, it's a normal little Steve. Then if we get a golden nugget and place it in our hand. So that's my sister. And so if you do that, it will say pose down the bottom. Press pose, it'll move. Pose, 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 pose. I like the dab one. Where is it? The dab. So if you were wondering how to do that, just grab a golden nugget, and yeah, I'm gonna hug Steve. Hug. Yeah. So that is how you do it. Maybe you can add like, let's see. Another head, and maybe just go like a creeper this time. Oh, well, a zombie, whatever I just chose. Let's just go and put that one. Oh, jeez. Maybe make him hug. And you have to crouch while you do it. They want a hug. I'll just get in the middle of them. Okay, if you're wondering how to do that, that's how you do it. Oh, whoops. So I've got this, got that. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see ya in the next. Bye.